All right, hello. We want to talk to you today about the different colors that we can powder coat your SLAVX tabletop avionics panel in. Also going to tell you what is our most popular color that customers request. So real quick, we're going to keep this one short and sweet, but just going to talk to you a little bit about the different color options that we have available, kind of in our default color palette. So on the far left here, we have the silver, in the middle, the gunmetal, and on the right, we have our satin black. So these are three colors that are very popular. Our most popular color is actually this gunmetal color. The gunmetal color, it's got some metallic flake in it, so it actually brings in the environment around you kind of within the color palette. So it's actually a very unique color, it's a very popular color, and it looks fantastic. So once again, so all these panels, all of our products, they're all powder coated, okay? The reason that we do that is because it's VOC free, it's good for the environment, it's an incredibly durable finish, it's an incredibly professional finish, and it's something that's gonna last, right? So when you're buying our product, we really believe that you're buying a lifetime product and something that maybe you can even hand down to your son or daughter or future generations from there. So that's why we powder coat. Any questions in the process, definitely let us know. We're happy to help answer any questions. As an additional point, we're also able to do a custom color if you'd like. So a couple of customers have requested red. We were able to do some red panels for them. Seemed a little bit bright, but they like the red. So if you have a custom color in mind that you're thinking, let us know, reach out, and we can let you know if we can do it. So any questions, let us know and stay level.